The rain. Look at the picture. What do you think the book is going to be about?
Raining.
Rain. What else?
And
People meeting.
friends.
Maybe friends.
And using umbrellas.
Using umbrellas. What else do you see in the picture?
Jackets.
Jackets. Boots. Okay. A poncho. Okay. I'm going to read the first page, okay?
And this will be
Open your book to the first page. And
in the
follow.
rain.
And follow along as I read, okay? Point to the words. Ha is my cousin. Ha's family come to see my family. They come from Vietnam this summer. Okay? I'm going to read again and then I'm going to stop at the words and you're going to read the words. Alright? Ha is my cousin. Ha's family comes to see my family. Point at the word here. They came from Vietnam this summer. Okay? Now, you're going to read second page. But you're going to cover the words first and look at the pictures on the second page. What do you see? Cover the words, Jackson. What do you see?
I see a poncho.
You see a poncho. What else?
I see a rain.
What else do you see?
Boots. I see curtains. I see flowers.
You see flowers, Jackson? Okay. Turn the other page. Cover the words. What about there? What do you see in that picture?
I see jackets. I see boots. A hat.
A cat.
Poncho.
Turn the next page. Cover the words.
I see